you're struggling to get views, you're struggling to get subscribers, you are struggling to get watch hours, it simply means that you have not been able to crack the code. Yes. See, growing here on YouTube, in as much as it's not easy, it is actually difficult, but you can actually navigate your ways. That is being able to crack your code. And cracking your code in what extent? Being able to know what is working and what is not. First of all, you need to go ahead and pick a niche. Yes, if you're thinking of doing multiple things on your channel, you might actually scale through, but most of the time it might be so difficult. Why? Is because you're trying to gather different audience on one channel. Because whether you like it or not, I might be on YouTube here because I love watching football, or maybe I come to watch Nigerian movies, or maybe I come to watch Korean movies. Same thing goes to millions of people out there. Every single person you see here on YouTube, they are all here for different things. So if you're opening a YouTube channel and you want to do multiple things there, good and fine, but it's actually best advisable to open a niche. Just pay attention to that particular niche and give it your best. Give in your best, give in your research, your time, every single thing for that channel to perform well. Now, once you're done picking out a niche, the next thing you need to do before you even start to upload your video, try your best to check out what is working now and what is not. This was basically what I did on my lifestyle channel, and you all can see the results. Yes, before I started posting my video, I know that I made mistake earlier on by dropping random 2 or 3 videos last year. But when I said to myself that I really want to pay much more attention to this channel henceforth, the first thing I did was to start watching other YouTubers in my niche. Yeah, trying to check out the kind of videos they post. How are they doing their own editing? That is studying what the channel is all about, the videos that are at least doing well, before you can now be able to start. Now, once you've been able to gather all those information, once you've been able to understand your niche very, very well, you might have a lot of video ideas. That is, you might have close to 10 to 15 video ideas upstairs that you want to bring out. But sometimes the title you might be using for that video might not be actually either what is trending, or maybe either what people want to see. This person might have video idea, this person might have video idea. That is why most of the time, if you check out on YouTube here, or not even, like, sometimes for my comment section, I've seen comments like, oh, this creator just talked about this video now, but at the end of the day, if you watch the video, you will discover that it's not the same thing. Let us take for instance, a lot of people make video on how much YouTube pay me, but most of the time if you click on the video, you will see that they're not really talking about their own earnings, or you might not even really see how much YouTube pay them. They might just be talking about all the good benefits they've actually gained from this YouTube streets. So this is being able to, like, know what is working out and use a topic that is performing well. See, if you're able to understand what is working and what is not working out, you are really, really going to excel here. Like, you see that views, you see that subscribers, you see that watch hours, they are going to locate your channel. One thing that a lot of us don't pay attention to is, do you know that for you to be able to get those numbers of subs and your watch hour coming in, you need the views. Let us assume that you keep posting videos and those videos are like 100, 200. There is no how close to 100 people will subscribe to your channel from just a video with 200 views. Because whether you like it or not, some people might just click on your video either by mistake, or maybe or maybe YouTube just recommend it to them. They might not be really all that interested in your content. Yes, so for you to be able to grow your watch hour to some extent, for you to be able to keep getting that subscribers on your channel, you have to pay attention to your content itself. Try your best to bring out valuable content. And a lot of us be like, what is even valuable content? Valuable content simply means being able to produce video that somebody will watch and learn something and gain something. Yes, it's just like my channel. If you watch each video on this my YouTube growth channel, there's no how you will definitely learn one thing. Same goes to some cooking niche. Same goes to all this health channel. You might be doing reaction video and somebody will watch it and also learn something. There's this particular channel that I watch a lot when I'm free. The channel does this real life prank, that is pranking people, trying to like know how good or bad they are. I watch that kind of channel. Why do I watch it? It's actually very, very funny. If you go through the comments, you will see people laughing, but I have the reason why I am watching that video. I am actually learning something, learning that okay, this life people varies. There are bad people, there are good people, there are sensible people also, and there are people that just see life as we come and we go. So what I'm trying to say is that any content you're bringing here, let it be of value. Being of value, it can actually make me laugh. That is valuable content. If it even make me cry, it's also valuable content. Just try make sure that if video you drop, watch it yourself, or put yourself in the shoe of your viewers. Just say to yourself, if I'm the one that come across this video and I watch it, what exactly will I learn from this video? What exactly will I learn? Will I learn how to be this? Okay. Will I learn a new improvement? Will I That is what I simply mean by valuable contents. And if you don't know, YouTube value, in fact, one thing that this platform don't joke with is valuable content. That is why if you notice that there are some channels that if YouTube see that what you are doing doesn't even make sense, either you are doing more of a clickbait, before you know it, they will take the channels down. If you take your time and watch videos on YouTube deleted my channel, if you check out most of their offense, sometimes it's because of the kind of videos that they upload. It's because of lack of originality, lack of valuable content. And if you are a type, so princess, I don't want to show my face, a lot of faceless channels are blowing up even faster than normal face channel. Yes, so you can literally do anything here, but just make sure that no matter whatsoever you are doing, let your content be of value. Okay, so once you're done with that, another thing that you need to make sure you pay attention to is for you to be able to optimize your videos. I will say this today, I will say this tomorrow, and I will still say this next tomorrow. YouTube in this era, if you don't know how to optimize your video, you are simply missing out a lot. Yes, sometimes I've come across some channels that they don't even optimize. They just bring out good content, post it the right time, use good thumbnail, and the videos will also do well. But this whole optimization of a thing, it actually goes a long way. Optimizing your videos is going to really, really help your videos come up on search results. That is one. It's going to really, really help your video come up on Google search. That is two. And also it helps for YouTube recommendation. And you all know that for you to optimize your video, there are 5 things that are involved. And number one thing is your title. That is the title you give to a particular video. Try your best to make sure that the keyword of that video appears either on your thumbnail. Okay, you don't really need to appear on your thumbnail, but your thumbnail should be speaking more of the video that you want to create. Now, if the main keyword, that is, if the main keyword is obvious on your thumbnail, the next thing is let the keyword also appear in your description. Same thing goes to your hashtag, and the same thing goes to your tags. So just like as I said, we have 5 things when it comes to video optimization here: your title first, your description, your thumbnail, your tags, and your hashtag. Always make sure you use the main keyword in all of them. And if this grammar might be sounding too big, what keywords simply means? Okay, let me explain now. Let's say you own a cooking channel and you make a video on how to cook party jollof rice, or how to cook pepper meat. Okay, let's just say how to cook party jollof rice at home or in the village, anywhere. Now when designing your thumbnail don't really need to carry that how to cook party jollof rice, no, but at least show us an enticing face of a party jollof rice. You can maybe go down and write party jollof rice if you want to, but using just showing us alone a very good face of that party jollof rice is actually okay. Then the next thing you need to go ahead and do is in your description. When giving us a description, make sure that you are including the party jollof rice at home, or even that your title the way you want it to be, make sure it's present in your description. The same thing goes to your hashtag. You know your hashtag comes under your video description. Your hashtag should be like party jollof rice recipe, how to cook Nigerian party jollof rice, all those kind of hashtag. Then the next thing also is your tag. Unlike your hashtag that comes with that hash at the back, your tags come separately naturally. Make sure that those keywords are also in your tags. Bro, if you're able to get if you're able to crack this particular code and use it very, very well, if a person goes over to YouTube search bar to search for things, that is to search for how to prepare jollof rice or party jollof rice in the Nigerian way, there is no how your video is going to come up. If it doesn't come up as top one or top two or top five or even top six, if the person keeps scrolling down, obviously the person is going to come across your own video. This is what this video optimization is all about. And my channel, one of the things that has actually kept me going till date, I even make use of this same video optimization on my lifestyle channel, is this thing that I'm just sharing with you now. There's no secret, there is no magic. I don't even to have viral videos, but still I am still able to be getting views on the videos that I drop here. So every single thing boils down to this video optimization. If you're able to understand it and be using it well, it's going to really, really favor your channel. Okay. And also, before I forget, there is this particular latest thing that I have been test running on my channel for so long now, for like more than a week. You all know that I won't just come up here to just share anything. Before I drop any information on my channel, I've either tested it, or maybe a bigger YouTuber myself actually tested it, and I saw the result. That is, I see it clear. That is only way I can come up here to share it with you guys. So for the past over a week now, I have been test running something that I actually learned here 6 7 months ago, but it's just of recent that I decided to start making use of it. Guys guys the result I'm getting is mind blowing. So that should be a separate video on its own, because it's actually long. Because one thing is, I will not just come up and share the updates with you. I will also show you how to do it. So I would have done that in this video, but my equipment are not all that ready, because I will want to be doing more of a screen record to make it clear to you guys. But that should be my next video. Okay. So the video might be dropping either tomorrow, or yes, tomorrow or next. So if you're not yet connected to my channel, please do well to do so. This particular update, I don't even see it on small channels. I have never seen it. All the channel reviews that I've been doing so far, I have not seen it before. So this is unusual. Yeah, but I believe some of you might have been hearing it, but maybe you guys might not know how to make use of it, because I also took my time to actually learn how to make use of it. So guys, I'll be dropping that in my next video. Okay, so if you watch to this extent, these tips that I just shared for you, they're actually going to help you grow faster, get that subscriber, get that watch hours, and also get the views. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, because I don't really want this video to be long at all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, bye.